Hello, my name is Mohsen. In this video, I will show you how to perform a regular compass calibration on your Hylio drone. Note this procedure applies to all drones except the AG-272. For this procedure, make sure to place the drone outdoors with a direct line of sight to the sky so the GPS units can connect with the satellites above. Place your drone away from any large metal objects or building, at least 20 feet away. And the individuals performing the calibration will have to make sure they don't have any metallic objects or magnetics in their pockets to remove your phone, your Apple Watch, your belt buckle. Go ahead and power on your drone and connect to it in Agrasol GCS via RFD. Navigate to the Maintenance tab, click on Calibrations, select Compass, and select the regular option. The drone will make a beeping sound. That is your indication that the procedure has started. 2 progress bars will appear set at 0%. Go ahead and walk over to your drone with your partner, lift the drone up and hold it level. You're going to want to rotate it 360 degrees in that position, then tilt it to the drone's right side. Repeat the procedure, left side, nose up, nose down, and on its back. You have to make sure you do 360 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise, but in all 6 orientations. Later on in this video, we will show you how to perform this on an AG-230 and an AG-210, which will be similar to the AG-216. The 210 and 216 can be done individually. For the 230, you'll probably want a partner to help you with the process. Once you do all of the 6 orientations, the progress bars should fill up to 100%, at which point the drone will beep, letting you know that the calibration is completed. Make sure you click finish in the software and restart your drone by restarting the software and unplugging the battery, plugging it back in. At this point, the GPS lights will flash green and you will have performed a successful calibration. Make sure to strap the battery to the drone. You can use the battery belt provided in the toolkit. Loop it in between the frame and the battery bucket. And then through the strap on the battery, loop it to the other side in between the bucket and the frame. Replace the clip. Secure and tighten, making sure the battery will not fall out of the drone as we perform the calibration procedure. Once the battery is secured in the frame, remove the tanks from the drone, unplug the tubing from the top and the bottom. Make sure to disconnect the empty tank sensor from its waterproof connector. This will make it a lot easier to perform the calibration. We recommend folding in all 4 arms, securing them with the straps. You can go ahead and plug in the battery to power on the drone. Secure the battery to the drone by using the battery belt provided in the toolkit. Loop it through the tank, pull it all the way through, then loop it to the other side. You're going to similarly pull it all the way through the loop in the tank. Replace the clip onto the belt. Pull it tight. Make sure the battery will not fall out during the calibration process. Thank you for watching this video. If you need to contact us, the information is available in the description. Have a wonderful day.